Welcome to 9 Darby Hill Lane in Taylor, South Carolina. We're located right off Highway 290 or Locust Hill Road. Let's go inside. This is a gorgeous brick home, 3 beds, huge bonus room upstairs, so let's go inside and check it out. All brick home with sought after schools. You're on a large cul-de-sac lot. The floor plan is split level with a large rec room upstairs that is perfect for a media room, office, or both. A gracious front porch greets you as you approach and leads you into the large living room with a gas log fireplace. There's a formal dining room with chair rail and then a separate eat-in area that overlooks the backyard. The kitchen boasts oak cabinets and a breakfast bar. The primary bedroom suite will make you happy with lots of light, tray ceiling, walk-in closet, dual vanities, a separate shower, and a corner tub. There's an oversized garage with a sink. There's crown molding and hardwood floors throughout most of the main level. Off of the living room is a sun porch where you can curl up on rainy days and enjoy a good book. And then that leads you to the Trex deck and a large patio. So I'm sure you can see why I love this brick home. To make an appointment, reach out to one of the agents at the Expert Real Estate team, 864-895-9791, or click on the link below to see more photos of this gorgeous home.